Well, hello everyone. I welcome you all at Smarty Education. Today we have to continue with lecture number 3 of Indian Constitution. But before continuing the lecture, let me tell you that I have already made 2 videos related to Indian Constitution in which I explained you the conceptual clarity related to Indian Constitution. So now let me begin with multiple choice question. But before that, we have a rule. First, you pause the video, think of the answer, then I will tell you the answer. Okay. So let's get to our first question. Judges of Supreme Court retire at the age of. So here are your options. So judges retire at the age of 65. Let's check the answer. It is correct. Now second question. According to Constitution of India, all citizens shall have right to practice any profession or to carry any occupation. I have explained you this concept in lecture number 1. Let's see the options. I think fundamental right will be correct option. Yes. So now let me take you the third question. According to Constitution of India, who is authorized to issue writs? Okay, first of all, Prime Minister is a minister who cannot issue writs. Chief Minister is something else. President has different powers. So the last option is Supreme Court of India. So by eliminating options, you can even select the correct options. So now let's talk about what does Article 17 of the Constitution say. Untouchability is a forbidden, abolished, offense. Okay, so all of the above will be the answer. Let's check the answer. It's correct. Okay, now let's get to our next set of questions. Which one is associated with justice? So hypocrisy is something different concept. Judgments is related with justice but not associated with it. So legitimate will be the correct option. Now let me tell you that in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2, I could not cover some concept, but I am covering them in the MCQs. Now let's take our next set of MCQ. The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution was added via 52nd amendment. That's what I explained you in lecture number 2 of Indian Constitution. Okay. Under which of the article president rule can be imposed on the state? Article 356. Let's check the answer. It is correct. Now let's get to which of the following is not included in Indian Constitution. So first of all, in these 3 words, we get to know that sovereign, secular and socialist were added by 42nd amendment of Constitution, which is also known as mini constitution. It is the lengthiest form of the amendment of Constitution. So the elimination can be morality. So let's check the answer. It is correct. Now let's get to our next set of question. Court of record is a court which preserves record. Okay. I hope you are all pausing the video. Now let's get to our next question. 103rd amendment of Constitution introduced 10% reservation for economic weaker section. Okay. Now let's get to our next set of question. Green Judge of India is known as, I didn't tell you that concept in video. Green Judge is known as Kuldeep Singh. Why is he known as Green Judge? Because he gave most of his decision related to environment. Okay. Governor of the state can be removed by. So governor rules at the state at the will of president. So at the will of president, governor can be removed. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now, how many members of Rajya Sabha can be nominated by the president? So 12 members can be nominated by the president. Okay. Joint sitting of both houses in parliament is presided by. Okay. So it is presided by president. Next set of question is part 4 of the Constitution deals with. Part 4 of the Constitution, I explained you that in lecture number 1B. Okay. Quo warranto means, I told you quo warranto means to prevent a person to hold public office which is not entitled to. Option A will be correct. To issue a warrant, to issue writs, none of this cannot be the options. Okay. Now let's talk about our next set of questions. In next set of questions, we get to know that our next question is schedule of the Indian Constitution defines an allocation of power. So this is a very important question. It's been asked in your ICSI questions. Okay. So let's check the answers. So the answers will be 7th schedule, I think so. Okay, it is correct. Let's see our next question. So in our next question, which article of the Constitution of India says that all public places are open to all citizens? It is said by Article 15(2). Okay. So what is the maximum life of an ordinance promulgated by the President of India? It is 7.5 months. Very important. What can be the maximum numbers of the Lok Sabha? It is 552. Okay, let's see our next question. So, who among the following is similar to Indian Constitution because of a strong center? Strong center means Canada. Okay, let's see our next question. So, next question is, who among the following reserves the right to initiate the constitutional amendment? So, its correct answer is correct answer is Parliament of India can bring changes in the constitution. Option B. Now let's see our next question. Which among the following article was inserted in the Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment 1970 in pure view of India being a signatory Stockholm Conference of 1972? It is Article 48A. Which of the following decides that there should be a legislative council in the state or not? It is decided by Legislative Assembly of the state. Okay. Let's see our next question. The Supreme Court can issue writs of a nature of habeas corpus generally when there is a violation of right given by which article? Okay. It is given by Article 21A. So, in Article 21A, which is related to freedom, it is also related with habeas corpus that I explained you in lecture number 1. Okay. So, before going to the next question, you will be confusing with Article 21A. So Article 21A will deal with right to education and Article 21A will deal with issue a writ nature of habeas corpus. Let's see our next question. The power to declare an area as a scheduled area lies with the decision of President. Okay. Which among the following is called lengthiest constitutional amendment to Indian Constitution? That's why I told you in the beginning of the video. That is 42nd Amendment. Okay, let's see our next question. Which of the following features of the Indian Constitution is not borrowed from Canadian Constitution? It is impeachment of president. Okay, so that's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video. I have selected all the important questions, and for getting the current affairs updates, you can join my WhatsApp group for getting the current affairs update. So that's it for today's guys. Bye.